Looking for ways to earn extra income in 2024? Wondering what side hustles are trending and how you can tap into them? Well, buckle up for an exciting journey through the top side hustles of this year. First on the list is freelance writing. With the digital age in full swing, content is king. Businesses, blogs, and websites are in constant need of fresh, engaging content. If you have a knack for words, this could be your golden ticket. You can start by building your portfolio, pitching to potential clients, and before you know it, you're making a steady income, all on your own terms. Next up is virtual assistant services. As more and more businesses go virtual, the demand for virtual assistants is skyrocketing. Virtual assistants help businesses with tasks ranging from email management, scheduling appointments, to social media management. If you're organized and have good communication skills, this side hustle could be an option for you. Third on the list is online tutoring. With the shift towards online education, there is a growing demand for online tutors. Whether it's academic subjects, music lessons, or a foreign language, if you are an expert in a field, consider sharing your knowledge and skills with others for a fee. Moving on to the fourth side hustle, e-commerce reselling. The rise of platforms like Etsy, eBay, and Amazon has made it easier than ever to buy and sell goods online. If you have an eye for valuable thrift finds or enjoy creating your own products, e-commerce reselling could be a profitable venture for you. Last but not least, affiliate marketing. If you have a significant online following on platforms like Instagram, YouTube, or a blog, you can earn income by promoting products or services for a commission. It's a win-win situation. Businesses get promotion, and you get a cut of the profits. To wrap up, there are numerous side hustles you can start in 2024. Freelance writing, virtual assistant services, online tutoring, e-commerce reselling, and affiliate marketing are just the tip of the iceberg. With some dedication, creativity, and hustle, you can turn these opportunities into a steady income stream. Remember, the key to a successful side hustle lies in identifying your skills and interests, finding a demand in the market, and delivering quality. So, get out there, explore these opportunities, and start hustling.